How to use Instagram slider trick. So if you want to use your Instagram slider trick, then first open up your Instagram application and then go with the story option, which is on the upper left. Tap on story, choose the image that you would like to add to your stories. For example, I'll be choosing one. Once you've chosen, now go with the stickers option, which is on the upper right. Under stickers, now here you will have the slider trick. So simply tap on the slider and then you can ask a question. So for example, I'll be asking a question, and once you've asked the question, now you can adjust that. Once you've adjusted, now you can move that to corners and you can go with share. And once you've shared, now if the other person of your friends just simply slide that, then you will get the results. So that's how you can add a slider in your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.